Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent Microsoft Edge from loading in Windows Startup. First step is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Startup Apps, select MS Edge, click Disable. Second step is Microsoft Edge. Click three dots, click Settings. Type Startup. Turn off Startup Boot. Also turn off Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.